Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I wasn't going to do another video of this, and then my mathematical guru reminded me when you're doing something like this and it's six-sided, and if you have a odd number of items, you can Control D and make a duplicate, and then rotate it 60 degrees, and then Control D again, and you've made a lot more of them in a pattern that's all going to be symmetrical. Now it's the same thing as before. We've got some, double lines in there, but in this case, you could select it all and weld it. That's going to get rid of some of those lines, and then take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And it's going to take a second because it's got so many. Now I've noticed when I did it before, I'm going to zoom in here, I've got a little leak on this one for some reason. So I'm going to hit the backup key, and I can see my leak. It's in the drawing, it's not something the weld tool did, but I'm going to take all those and go up to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and hit Apply, and then it shouldn't leak. Well, it's evidently wider than that, so we're going to take the Shape tool and just close it in. And once we've done this with the Smart Fill tool, then we won't have to worry about this anymore. We'll take the Smart Fill tool and fill in. And now with the new design, there's a Smart Fill tool, and all of our items will be joined together and ready to go. So this would cut out or engrave, and pretty neat way to make multiple patterns if you're doing a lot of them. And really, it'd probably be the best just to do it with 3 and just make a round circle. But this is kind of a unique pattern. I kind of, if you look at it, this pattern is kind of making like a backward C and then stopping. But you could figure out how far you need to nudge it over and nudge that over too. It ought to be relatively the same as our nudge before, but we need to go offset that one so it's a little bit different, because we're trying to match up that hole with that hole. And there's really no way to do it without measuring and doing the nudge. But there is a way to do it. Anyway, so I think that he evidently is a subscriber. I think he watches every video and everything I have. Anything I ever have with math in it, he always comments. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.